विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. दोनापावला आर्ट अकादमी आयोजीत आर्ट प्रदर्शन कला अकादमीच्या आर्ट गॅलरीन भरिल्ले. अकादमीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्यो पेंटिंग्स ह्या प्रदर्शनान मांडिल्ल्यो. थिमीचेर आधारीत पेंटिंग्स हांगा आशिल्ल्यो. पणजेच्यान आर्ट एक्सपो खातीर जोसेफ फर्नांडीस.
We have organized this exhibition with the title Out of the Blue, and it has oil paintings and oil pastel works by students of the academy. The theme of the exhibition was chosen based on the color blue because we had asked each student to do one portrait in one of the shades of blue, and it was an exploration not only of the color blue but to look at faces not only for their features but to show how people think from their imagination of faces. So each student was encouraged to do oil painting from the age groups of 10 years and above, and the oil pastel works were of students from 3 years and above. The color blue, when we started this exercise, the students knew the blue only as light blue and dark blue, but once they began learning portraits and the colors, they knew the blues by their various names. So I have curated the show, and Sir and I train students not only for as a hobby classes, but we train students for careers in design also, like fine arts and architecture and fashion. And these are all our students' works. So we have students displaying their works from age groups 3 and above. There are a total of 128 works and around 44 canvases and 34 drawings, and each student drew the face according to what was in her mind and her imagination, rather than just looking at a reference picture at copy. So at the institute we encourage students not to copy and just replicate drawings but draw from their imagination. So I have curated the show, and we have trained students from scratch. Most of the students was new to the medium of oil painting, so we taught them the medium as a skill-based activity, but the techniques, the brush strokes, the colors, the use of colors, the drawing itself was completely of the students. And as you can see, each painting is original because there is no reference picture to copy. So in our institute we encourage students not only to explore their talent but also be original and discover their own.